Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to sign up for the new YouTube TV 10-day free trial. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tips and tricks on all things tech and streaming. It really helps us out. So, YouTube TV recently started offering a 10-day free trial to new subscribers. This is a great opportunity to test out the service and see if it's the right fit for you before committing to a monthly subscription. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of signing up for the YouTube TV free trial, covering everything you need to know. We'll cover eligibility for the free trial, how to access the YouTube TV website or app, the sign-up process, including choosing your plan, adding your payment information, and finally, how to start watching. Let's get started. First, let's talk about eligibility. This 10-day free trial is generally for new YouTube TV subscribers. If you've had a YouTube TV subscription in the past, or if you've already taken advantage of a free trial, you might not be eligible. But it's always worth checking. Alright, to sign up, head over to the YouTube TV website, that's tvyoutube.com, or open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device or smart TV. Once you're on the site or in the app, look for a button that says something like Try Free, Start Free Trial, or Get YouTube TV. Click on that. Now you'll be presented with the different YouTube TV plans available. Usually, there's just one base plan, but sometimes there are add-ons or bundles. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Remember, during the free trial, you'll have access to everything included in that plan. Next, you'll need to create a Google account or sign in to your existing one. This is how YouTube TV identifies you and manages your subscription. After signing in, you'll be prompted to add your payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged until after the 10-day free trial is over. This is just to ensure a seamless transition if you decide to continue your subscription. You'll typically need to enter your credit card details or choose another payment method like PayPal. Make sure you carefully review the terms and conditions of the free trial before proceeding. This will outline the details of the trial, the monthly cost after the trial, and how to cancel if you decide not to continue. Once you've entered your payment information and agreed to the terms, you're all set. You can now start watching YouTube TV. Explore the channel lineup, set up your personalized recommendations, and enjoy all the features the service has to offer. And that's it. That's how you sign up for the YouTube TV 10-day free trial. It's a simple process, and a great way to see if YouTube TV is right for you. Remember to set a reminder for yourself to cancel your subscription if you don't want to be charged after the free trial period ends. You can usually manage your subscription settings directly on the YouTube TV website or app. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful guides and tips. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about YouTube TV or the free trial. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!